Hi, and welcome to the December year-end market update. Everyone keeps asking the same question lately. Is Northern New Jersey still competitive, or is the market finally starting to shift? Well, the truth is, it depends on where you're looking. So let's talk about what's actually happening now in Bergen County and Passaic County, because these two markets are telling very different stories. Let's start with Bergen County. Bergen remains one of the most premium real estate markets in Northern New Jersey. Home prices are still strong. In many towns, million-dollar homes are no longer the exception, they are becoming the norm. Inventory is still tight, but it has improved compared to the frenzy years before. What does this mean? Homes are selling, but pricing matters more than ever. We're seeing fewer automatic bidding wars and slightly longer days on market, especially when homes are overpriced or need updating. The homes that are selling best right now are well located, properly priced, and positioned correctly for today's buyers. Buyers do have a bit more breathing room, but Bergen is still a high expectation market. Now, let's talk about Passaic County. This is where the opportunity really stands out. Passaic continues to offer more attainable price points compared to Bergen. Median prices are generally in the mid-600s depending on the town. Values are still rising, but buyers are seeing more inventory and more room to negotiate. Homes are spending a little more time on the market, which tells us this market is competitive but not overheated. For buyers who feel priced out of Bergen, Passaic has become a very real alternative, especially for people who want transit access, strong rental demand, and long-term upside. For sellers, the opportunity is still there, but again, pricing and presentation are key. Here's the big takeaway. This is no longer a one-speed market. Bergen County is still high demand, high price, and high expectations. Passaic County offers more flexibility, more opportunity, and more leverage, especially for buyers. Mortgage rates, inventory, and buyer behavior are pushing us toward a more balanced market, but real estate in Northern New Jersey is still hyper-local. Two towns, 5 minutes apart, can feel like completely different markets. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Bergen or Passaic County, do not rely on national headlines. They do not tell us the full story here. If you're a seller, this is where my value up method comes in. It's knowing about which improvements matter, what buyers are paying for, and how to position your home to extract the highest value without over improving or guessing. Now, if you're a buyer, this is where my buyer upside method matters. It's about identifying opportunity, pricing inefficiencies, and homes with upside. So you're not just buying a house, you're buying future value. And in a market that's shifting, winners are not guessing. They are making informed moves. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Bergen or Passaic County and you want a strategy built around your goals, reach out or drop a question below, and I'm happy to show you what opportunity looks like in today's market and, more importantly, on your street. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. It's the end of the year. Have a wonderful holiday season. I'll see you in the new year. And as always, reach out with any questions, DM or text the number below. Take care.